did you know that you could have watched this video early and ad-free if you had become a member of my Patreon? How do you do that? I'm glad you asked. It's very simple. Head over to patreon.com/Marvin Francois, where you can get early, ad-free, and exclusive access to my content way before the general public does here on my YouTube channel. That's patreon.com/Marvin Francois. And if you're too lazy to type it up there, don't worry. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. Patreon.com/Marvin Francois. Looking forward to seeing you on the other side. But until then, peace from the Middle East and enjoy the video. Let's go.
Let's stay in the realm of dealing with let's take it to another level, right? Because another popular one that I deal with on a day-to-day basis in my credit repair company. Let's talk about student loans. Student loans is very interesting because, you know, 1 out of every 2 people that's watching this video either have student loans or nobody that knows somebody that has student loans, right? You get the student loans, life happens, you miss a payment or two. Next thing you know, now the student loan account becomes delinquent because you got a bunch of late payments. It's messing their credit up, and people want to figure out how do I deal with this? How do I get this off? I can't get a car, can't get a house. The student loan account is messing my credit up. How can they go about using the law and using these different strategies to deal with an account like that?
So in our first interview, we showed them why late payments and utilizations were illegal.
Right.
So I'm not going to go over that. So if y'all missed the first video,
Run it back.
Link in
the description.
Yeah, if y'all missed the first video, y'all need to go back, see the first video,
Right.
get the sauce on why late payments are illegal
Right.
and utilizations are illegal.
Right.
Now, to your third point, deleting the student loans, right?
Right.
So you can delete, you can dispute the account, just like any account. Do a validation of the account or verification, whatever y'all want to call it, right? But that's one part. Then they're going to say, oh, it's verified, yada, yada, yada. So I don't have the patience for that. I'm just going, I'm going ham, right? 15 USC.
I love this. 15 USC, go ahead.
6802.
6802.
Yes.
15. What do I start from the top or
No. B. Opt out. It should say
Boom.
opt out.
All right. So this is 15 US code 6802. This is obligations with respect to disclosures of personal information. We're going to B, which is opt out, right? So boom. In general, a financial institution may not disclose non-public personal information to a non-affiliated third party unless A, such financial institution clearly and conspicuously discloses to the consumer in writing or in electronic form or other form permitted by the regulations prescribed under section 6804 of this title that such information may be disclosed to third party. Keep going.
Yeah.
B, the consumer is given the opportunity before the time that such information is initially disclosed to direct that such information not be disclosed to such third party. See?
Say what?
Oh, you want me to read it, run it back? Okay. B, the consumer is given the opportunity before the time that such information is initially disclosed to direct that such information not be disclosed to such third party.
All right. And then one more. I think C.
C, right? And then C, the consumer is given an explanation of how the consumer can exercise that non-disclosure option.
Okay.
Boom.
So what did that just tell you? You have the right
Yo.
to opt out of having that information reported.
Right.
But not only that,
Right.
so to get the student loan, did you ever get student loans?
No, thank God. Thank God. Brooklyn College.
Yeah.
You know, I graduated top of my class, dropped out sophomore year, got in and got out of there. So yeah, no student
All
loan.
right, cool.
Yeah.
So a lot of people don't know that the social security card / number is actually a credit card. A lot of people
Hold on.
know.
Say that again.
Okay.
Say that
A
again.
lot of people don't know that the ID and social security card are credit cards. And 15 USC.
Let's do it. Come on now.
Let's go.
15 USC.
Not holding nothing back. Let's go.
Let's go. 15 USC.
15 USC 1681A.
Okay. Go ahead.
Go down to number 2, exclusions.
Boom. Exclusions, right?
Read exclusions for me. And immediately after you finish, I want you to go to B.
Okay.
You're going to see A, but I want you to go to B. So finish as soon as you read it, I want you to go right into B.
Okay, so boom, 2 exclusions, except as provided in paragraph. The term consumer report does not include, so don't read A.
Wait, don't read so fast.
Okay.
Read it over, but a little bit slower.
Except as provided in paragraph, the term consumer report.
The term consumer report.
Mm-hmm.
Do we know what a consumer report is?
Yes, we do.
We spoke about it in,
In
the
the
last
first video. Yes, we do.
So what we call credit reports are actually
consumer reports. Right.
And this says it what?
Does not include.
What does not include mean?
It's not supposed to be in there.
Not supposed to be in there. Now
Right.
continue.
Now, do I read A or do I just jump straight
Go
to B?
straight to B.
Boom. Any authorization or approval of a specific extension of credit directly or indirectly by the issuer of a credit card or
Mhm.
similar device.
Okay. Read that again slowly.
Any authorization or approval.
Authorizations or approval.
Mhm.
You got the student loan.
Right.
It was an approval
Right.
of a specific
Mm-hmm.
extension or a line of credit, is it
Mhm.
not?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, continue, brother.
Of a specific extension of credit directly or indirectly by the issuer of a credit card or similar device.
Credit card. Hit that word credit card because there should be a meaning there.
So when you hit the word credit card, right, this is on the law.cornell.edu website, right? Credit card, the definition is the term credit card has the same meaning as in section 1602 of this title.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Then, from my overstanding and comprehension,
Mhm.
1602 is truth in lending.
Right.
Go to truth in lending. So
Just-
now we're going to type in 1515 USC
Mm-hmm.
1602.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to bring us to the definition section.
Right.
And if you go down to L, as in Lima,
There we go. Hold
it
on.
should bring you to what the definition of a credit card is.
The term credit card means any card.
You're reading too fast.
All right,
Marv.
let me
Come on.
Let me slow down. The term credit card means any card.
Any card. It doesn't matter the card.
Mm-hmm.
Any card.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
Plate, coupon book, or other credit device existing for the purpose
Existing for what?
of obtaining money,
Mm-hmm.
property,
Mm-hmm.
labor,
Mm-hmm.
or services on credit. This is not fair. This
So,
isn't fair.
did you not use your card?
Mhm.
Social security card,
That's a fact.
driver's license. Any card means any card.
Right.
There was no discrepancy with that,
Mhm.
right?
Right.
That was used for a specific extension
Mm-hmm.
of this line of credit.
Mm-hmm.
What did the exclusion section say?
Mm-hmm.
Go back to exclusions and read it again now.
What's it with law? Is that again? This
15 USC
Mhm.
1681A. And then go down to number 2.
Give me a second here. Except as provided in paragraph, the term consumer report does not include, and then I think you said jump to B, right?
B.
Boom. Any authorization or approval of a specific extension of credit directly or indirectly by the issuer of a credit card or similar device.
So what student loan are we talking about? Let me drink some of my water.
And just like that, 1, 2, 3, it's off. It's out of there.
They'll challenge you.
Okay.
You're not supposed to know this.
Right.
They're going to say, oh, no.
Mm-hmm.
The law says this.
Right.
This is what I want.
Goodness gracious.
You don't get your remedy.
Mm-hmm.
Get yourself a consumer lawyer.
Mm-hmm.
Go get your remedy.
And then that's
Run me my coins.
give me my coin, my breach, my DiBaggio. Okay. And that's just student loans.
So I use it for student loan because people believe that they cannot delete student loans.
Right.
You can use that to delete any single account on your consumer report.
Okay. Now that segues into a whole other thing because now.
I didn't want to give the sauce.
No,
but
no, yeah,
since
we here.
Since we're going to talk about
Let's
delete
talk
anything,
about it. Like, we talk about deleting anything. We talk about deleting any and everything. Let's get right into it.
anything that came from the use of your ID
Mm-hmm.
or social security
Mm-hmm.
that came as a result of you getting credit,
Mm-hmm.
that's how you get it off.
Boom. And this is